allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Liberty and justice for all. Liberty and justice. Liberty and justice. Liberty and justice. Liberty and justice. I pledge allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands one nation under God indivisible with liberty and justice for all with liberty and justice for all one nation under God indivisible with liberty and justice for all liberty and justice for all.
November 11th is Veterans Day. Americans honor veterans, people who have served or currently serve in the U.S. military. What makes November 11th special? On the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month in 1918, the battles of World War I ended. The Allied countries and Germany called a truce, also known as an armistice, and November 11th became known as Armistice Day. The following year, President Woodrow Wilson asked Americans to mark the anniversary of Armistice Day with a moment of silence in gratitude to the soldiers who had fought for peace. Americans did that and more. They held parades and other gatherings all across the country to publicly thank the World War I veterans. In 1954, Congress changed the holiday's name from Armistice Day to Veterans Day to recognize all soldiers who serve in war or peace. Today, there are more than 23 million veterans in the United States. Do you know any veterans? How do you thank them?
with just one song, one magic song that everyone could sing. We could sing of love, of hope and joy, and things that peace could bring. And when we sang our magic song, all hate and war would cease. With just one song, one magic song, the world could fill with a song of peace.
What is a veteran? A veteran is someone who has served in the armed forces. Every U.S. veteran has served in one of the 5 branches of the armed forces: the Army, the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. Each branch has a different job to do. For example, the Army mostly works on land. The Air Force works in the sky. People in the Air Force fly planes and helicopters. People in the Navy, the Marines, and the Coast Guard all spend a lot of time at sea. But they can have other jobs too. For example, some people in the Navy fly jets. The branches are separate, but they often work together. They might work as a team to rescue someone who is hurt at sea. The President of the United States is in charge of all the branches. Under the Constitution, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. We honor veterans because they trained hard to do their jobs. Some were medics and helped people who were hurt. Some drove tanks. And some people even worked on submarines. All of them were brave. You might know a veteran. Maybe someone in your family or in your neighborhood is a veteran. We can say thank you to veterans every day of the year. But Veterans Day is an especially great time to do it. Thank you, veterans.
You have our backs, you always do. You know that we rely on you. You have our hearts, we honor you. The heroes of red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. We are a grateful nation for all you do. right on the line. Because of you, we're doing fine. Your family has given too, and they deserve our gratitude. Our gratitude. We are a grateful nation for all you do, for all you've done. We are a grateful nation for all you do, for all you've done. Give it up for the heroes. Give it up for the heroes. Give it up for the heroes. We are grateful. Give it up for the heroes. Give it up for the heroes. Give it up for the heroes. We are grateful. We are grateful. In history, I've learned about so many countries where people lost their right to freedom, the blessings you and I all share. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause our flag still flies for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who tried, who gave that right to me. And I proudly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart, and it's time to stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless.